And now, as a tribute to this wonderful house of prayer, this wonderful congregation, B'nai Israel, bless this house.
Bless this house, O Lord, we pray. Make it safe by night and day. Bless these walls so firm and stout, keeping want and trouble out. Bless the roof and chimneys tall. Let thy peace lie over. Bless these doors that they may prove ever open to joy and love. Bless these windows shining bright, letting in God's heavenly light. Bless the heart blazing there with smoke as ending like a prayer. Bless the folk who dwell within, keep them pure and free from sin. Bless us all that we may be fit, O Lord, to dwell with thee. Bless us all that one day we may dwell, Lord, with